Next we go to profit, average profit and marginal profit functions. So profit is equals to revenue minus cost, remember? And then the average profit is profit divided by Q. And finally marginal profit is equals to dP over dQ. Alright? Now in example 11, we are given the demand function of a car spare parts at SAS enterprise is given by P equals to 400 minus 2Q. And the average cost per unit to produce that product is given by C bar equals to Q plus 160 plus 2000 over Q. So we are asked to find the profit function. So remember, profit equals to R minus C. So first we need to find the function of R, and then next we need to find the function of C. Alright? So revenue is equals to P times Q. So P is given by 400 minus 2Q times Q. So the answer is 400Q minus 2Q squared. Next, we need to find the cost function. So cost is equals to average cost times quantity. So average cost has been given as Q plus 160 plus 2000 over Q. So times Q. So the answer is Q squared plus 160Q plus 2000. Alright. So from here, profit is equals to revenue minus cost. So revenue is 400Q minus 2Q squared minus the cost. So remember, you need to put in a bracket. So cost function is Q squared plus 160Q plus 2000. So from here, if we simplify, the answer is 240Q minus 3Q squared minus 2000. Okay? Okay, next look at example 12. The demand equation for a tour agency is given by P equals to 40 minus 2Q, and the average cost is given by C bar equals to 4 plus 100 over Q. So we need to find the revenue function, the cost function, and then followed by profit function, and finally we are asked to find the price which will maximize the profit, and then we need to prove that this profit is maximum. So this type of question normally will give you 20 marks. Alright, so let's start with the revenue function. Revenue function is P times Q. So P is 40 minus 2Q times Q. The answer is 40Q minus 2Q squared. Next, in order to find the cost function, so cost is equals to average cost times quantity. So average cost is 4 plus 100 over Q times Q. The answer is 4Q plus 100. And part C, we are asked to find profit. Profit is R minus C. So R, we got it from part A, and then C from part B. So from here, if we simplify, so the answer is 36Q minus 100 minus 2Q squared. Alright? And then in part D, remember, we are asked to find the price that maximizes the profit. Okay? We need to prove that it is maximum. So we start off with the profit function, which is 36Q minus 100 minus 2Q squared. So from here, first step is to find dP dQ. So differentiate 36Q will give us 36. Differentiate 2Q squared, negative, we will get negative 4Q. And then the answer equals to 0. Therefore, we get Q equals to 9. But we are not sure yet whether this will maximize the profit. So what we need to do is to go to the next step to find the second degree differentiation of profit. So d2p over dq squared, the answer is negative 4. So negative means maximum. Alright? So since this value is less than 0, hence q equals to 9 maximizes the profit. Okay? So when q equals to 9, now substitute into the price function or the demand function. So we will get p equals to 40 times minus 2 times 9. So from here we will get 22. So therefore the price that maximizes the profit is 22 ringgit. Okay, so with that we have completed chapter 10.